Hi friends, today in this video, we are going to make an powerful, all-in-one motor controller circuit, which can be used with almost all low to high power motors. So, watch till the end without skipping any part, to understand better. To avoid messing up the connections on pref board, I designed the simple PCB for easy assembly, and the PCB is going to be look like this. You can download both circuit diagram and PCB files, link is in video description. In order to manufacture this PCB, go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. On the homepage of JLC PCB website, here you can add the Gerber file I provided. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity in the color of PCBs as per your requirements. And then save to cart for checkout. Within some days I got my order from JLC PCB delivered. And the quality of the PCBs is amazing, and 5 pieces is for just $2. And now it is time to assemble the PCB. So, let's place all the components according to the circuit diagram. And after spending some time with the soldering process and clipping, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. And here our PCB is looking nice and clean. Now align the components with board, and insert them at its place. And solder pads of both MOSFET and regulator. And our PCB soldering is completely done. Use a 555 timer IC, and insert it into the IC base. Now connect the input and output wires in the terminal connectors. I 3D printed this knob, for multi-turn potentiometer for easy adjustments. I connected the 12-volt DC input, it supports 5 to 30 volts input for different motors. I used 775 DC motor for testing, which supports voltage range of 12 to 24 volts. Rotating this knob clockwise will increase the speed of motor. And rotating knob anti-clockwise will decrease the speed of motor. You can also control brightness of this bulb using this circuit. This circuit works on the basis of PWM frequencies, so works efficiently and not much heat is generated by the MOSFET. Also, I would like to let you know, JLC PCB launched other PCB related services like PCB layout designing, which helps you in swiftly transitioning from concept production of PCBs. As a one-stop PCB solution provider, JLC PCB offers from PCB layout to PCB production, PCB assembling to components sourcing, also 3D printing and CNC machining. Just start a layout quote. And here you can upload the schematics related files. You can download the template for instructions. And select the other parameters, and submit the order. Your files will go all these steps during the production of your PCB. And you'll get delivered with high quality PCBs. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.